Hey guys, it's me and my bro Anthony. We just found a new board. Oh, it's right there. It's hiding. Look, see in the log? Yeah.
Oh, I see it.
Yeah.
I see
Look at that, guys.
I see I freaking see it.
This boat doesn't fly. Look at it right there. Looks like it's an animal head. Like it's stuff. So beautiful. Then go closer. You see it? Look at its yellow legs. I don't know if you guys can notice, but the legs are yellow.
If it goes in the water,
Yeah, if it goes in the water, Anthony probably might go in the water because he's wearing shorts. But look how ugly the water is. What? You're not crazy? Okay, get closer to it. Oh, it's stepping into the water. Oh, wait. It's okay, bud. It's not like we're gonna. Come on. It looks like it's Anthony, it looks like its head is just fully armored. Hold this for me. Alright, ready guys?
yeah, hold it. I'm going.
Huh?
I'm going. Huh?
Like, dude, I see its house. Look. Wait, dude, wait, be careful. No. The golfers are coming. Yeah, I see the golfers over there. It's not. This golfer, oh crap, the sun is too far. Anthony, come on! What the fudge? Oh, you kidding me? Now there's golfers over there.
Let's go. I get this thing.
Look.
This one is very steep.
Oh. So guys, if you like this video, leave a thumb up on it and then kill the like button.